Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a wig review. It's been a minute since I did a wig review, but I'm super excited to be bringing this one. I picked this up from a local beauty supply store, and I have this one in two colors, and I think I have about 4 of them because I really liked it that much. It is by the Brown Sugar collection, or by Brown Sugar, and it is a frontal lace. It's the human hair style mix lace front wig, and the style name or number, because there's no name, is BSFO1, and I have her in a piano 430, and that's what she looks like. She has a 13 by 4 lace in the front, and that's one of the reasons why I really like this wig. They have several different styles in this collection, and I think I have 3 in this particular collection. I have so many wigs, honey, it's hard to tell. Let's see, do they have a picture on the stock card of all of them? Nope, but yeah, so again, I have a bunch of them. Here is what she looks like color wise. A really pretty color, as you can see it catching the light. Beautiful piano highlights in the color 30, and then it has the 4 as a base. Let me turn it over so you can see the lace and the cap construction. Here is the lace. I've already cut off the excess lace, but as you can see, there is the lace right there. And then it has a sort of a mesh cap, more like a stocking cap base, and then you have a comb and adjustable straps in the back, and you have combs on the sides, and then you have sort of like the moldable tabs right here in these areas, and hopefully you could see the combs. Yeah, so it has a really nice construction. This is the soft lace, it's not that hard lace, and it's just a beautiful wig. It's a nice length, it's not too short and it's not too long. She also has the little hairs in the back that you can do an updo, and she has some really nice wispies, really natural looking baby hairs in the front. Okay, so I'm gonna get my straps all adjusted here, and then I'm gonna pop her on. Now with this one, I'm not gonna wear a wig cap because of the placement of the combs. I like to use combs, you know, when it comes to security of wigs. So with this particular one, it's hard to wear a wig cap with it. And I don't like wig grips because they feel a little tight and then bulky sometimes. So I'm just gonna wear this one au naturel, I guess, which is rare for me. And I just had my hair in a ponytail. Okay, so let me get her situated here. I'm gonna pull her back on my hairline, and I'm gonna tuck my little ponytail underneath. There we go. And I like the way it just naturally falls. When you put it on, it just falls the way it wants to go. Of course, you can adjust the parting however you want. But I just kind of like the way it fell, so I kind of left it alone. And I'm just going to position it just right behind my hairline. And then what I'm going to do now is attach or just push in the combs, and see with the cap construction, the comb actually falls like right back here. So that's why I don't have a wig cap. It's a weird placement, but then again, it's not putting any pressure on your edges, which is a good thing. And if you don't like to use combs, then cut them out or just don't use them at all. But I do like using combs. You just have to make sure you use them correctly so you don't rip out your hair and stuff. So I'm getting that situated. Okay, so it's on. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, now let me get a brush and a comb, and we can play around. So I'm just gonna give her a nice little brushing. And I like the way it sits on me because it actually kind of shows my natural hairline right here, and with the color of my hair, kind of blends pretty nicely. I just like this wig. I don't know what it is, but it's a really nice wig. But if you don't have like edges, or you're concerned about that part, just pull it forward a little bit more, and it'll work out just fine. But I kind of like the way this sits on my head like this. So again, like I said, I pulled it slightly behind my hairline, and of course my hair kind of grows weird. So anyway, it sort of, you know, kind of sticks outside of the wig, but with my hair being slicked down, it works out fine. So I'm just gonna part my hair right underneath that part to make it look a little bit more natural, since I don't have on one of those natural colored wig caps. I'm just gonna part my hair right underneath the part, and I'm gonna clean it up right here on the edge of the wig. There we go. And yeah, and you can part it as far back as you want it to go. The parting goes all the way to back here, so you get a nice little, you know, area to part in, and then you can part it as far as over here. So it's a 13 by 4 inch parting area. So yep, and that's pretty much it. It's one of those that you can kind of plop and go. You can actually wear it in an updo, which I do sometimes. So yeah, I love this wig. This is like one of my all-time favorites, and I have a lot of wigs, y'all. But she's cute. So let me give you a 360, and maybe I'll do sort of a updo or whatever. So of course this is the front, and let me put it all to the back. Okay, here is my left side, the back, and I'm hoping you can see it, and the right side, and the front. Now she has layers, as you can see, in the front, and she's really, really cute. It's a nice, like, believable length and nicely textured wig. It has a nice flow to it, a really natural flow. It's not really dense and thick, but then it's not thin either. It mimics natural hair, and again, it says it's a human hairstyle mix, so I'm assuming it has you know, human hairs blended in. It says that it has a natural texture that delivers maximum comfort, so you feel no irritation, and that's true. And it's really nice. It's designed to fit and last you for everyday lifestyle. So I like this, and it is a really nice everyday lifestyle. So let's see, what do we want to do? I don't know. I brought a barrette up here. I was gonna do like a half up, half down, but then I don't know. But anyway, here, let's see. We'll gather some of the hair and do something like that. I usually do this like if I wear this in the heat of the summer, or wigs like this in the heat of the summer. I'll kind of do a little swoop up or something with a barrette, and I kind of pull it at the top. Let's see if we can get it going, y'all. Something sort of messy, a little wispy. What's the term I'm looking for? Let's see. Let's start it over. And of course, it's sticking to my lip gloss. But it's fun to just sit and play and kind of work with the styles of the units that you have, because a lot of wigs, even though they may not say you can wear them in updos, you can just play around. But this one, of course, you can. But I just sit and play sometimes and just come up with styles. So now that I have that clipped, I'm gonna kind of pull some of it up using my comb here. And y'all know I don't usually, well, I do sometimes kind of style my wigs. I don't usually style my wigs on camera, but thought I would do one for you. So this is something. There we go. And all I did was use like a barrette in the back. And I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it looks like. But here's the barrette. It's like one of those natural colored ones, and I think I picked it up at Dollar Tree. So hopefully you'll try this or whatever, but I really like this, and this is cute. Cute little wig that's really versatile. So again, this is the brown sugar frontal lace. It's a human hairstyle mix, and the style number is BSFO1. It doesn't have a name, so it's BSFO1, and I have her in the color P430 or Piano 430. And I also have her in a 1B. Of course, you don't have to have my natural color. But yeah, she's really, really cute. And I love this wig, y'all. Again, I picked it up from my local beauty supply. I'm gonna look for some sites that may carry this, and I'll post the links down below if you like this unit. So you could probably pick one up for yourself. But that's gonna do it for this wig review. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload another wig review or DIY or whatever it is. So anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.